Ayan o. Sobrang daming citruses guys. Ang galing sa food waste. Haviki guys is waste. Ruwaka is food. So Haviki, Ruwaka, food waste. What is Daddy eating? Ito si Sarah guys. So matutulog na to. Uy, nagkaroon na talaga siya ng rashes sa piece guys. Sa Lahati area guys, so punta na tayo doon sa Haviki, Ruwaka. So iba na yung direction ng driving namin dito kasi nga lumipat na sila ng address, diba? So dito tayo dumaan malapit sa train station kasi mas malapit na sila dito sa train station na way compare doon sa kabilang side papunta sa Rusta. So ito dito is train station na yan siya dyan. Station na yan. So, si Anika is, di namin sinundo. Hinantin siya ng taxi today. And, kumain siya sa bahay. Tapos, after niyang kumain, and si Sarah din, after mag-breastfeeding is, malis na kami ng bahay. So, hindi namin kasama si mother-in-law kasi meron siyang ibang mga lakad today. So, susunod na lang daw siya sasama ulit mag-Haviki shopping. So, dyan o, train station na yan dyan. Daddy, do you remember the times that you always come and pick us up? There's a lot of army, oh. Young ones. So, dito na tayo. Malapit na tayo dun sa Haviki, guys. Mas malapit na itong Haviki, Ruwaka kaya ka doon sa address ni Chef Rick. Ambulance yan, oh. Diyan yung fire station ng Lahati guys. So, mga fire trucks ang loob ng ang laman ng mga yan o, yung mga door na color gray, mga fire trucks ang laman yan. So, dito na yung daan papunta doon sa Haviki kung magdadrive galing doon sa amin. Mas malapit na siya sa sa train station. So, dito na tayo sa Karyalan Kato guys. Okay. So, dyan na yung bagong place, oh. Karyalan Kato 26. Malapit din siya sa bus stop. Kita nyo may mga tao dyan nakapila. Dyan na yung place. Bagong place. So, andito na tayo guys sa Karyalan Kato. Doon sila sa kabilang side, Karyalan Kato 26. So, wala na kasing parking space doon. Puno na. Dito na lang sa tapat si Nico nag-parking sa, Bar Monaco. Sa Bar Monaco sa tapat. May bus stop din doon but I'm not really familiar kasi about the bus system dito sa Lahati kasi never pa ako nakapag-bus dito. One time lang, parang 2 or 3 years ago, nung nagpunta ako ng work galing sa bahay namin. Pero dito sa city mag-bus, never pa ako nakatry. So, hanapin niyo na lang sa tawag nito sa Google, Karyalan Kato 26. Yun na yung bagong address nila. And same pa rin, Monday to Friday, 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Tapos Saturday, it's 3 o'clock ng hapon. Tapos Sunday, close sila. And usually kapag may mga holidays naman, naglalagay naman sila ng information dun sa door nila, dyan sa location nila, kung open sila or close, kung ano oras sila mag-open. But for now, ganun yung kanilang schedule. Hindi ko pa alam kung anong magiging schedule nila in the coming weeks. Like may Easter or may Labor Day, ganyan, hindi ko pa alam. But yeah, for now, dyan na yung place. Nakita nyo may mga raming tao doon nakapila. So tatawid tayo guys. Kasi doon sa kabila yung Haviki, Ruwaka Paika. Yung color yan, parang cream ang color ng building. Tapos yung nakalagay is Women Resi Technica. Marami na ring tao dyan ngayon nakapila. And sabi nung staff last time na nagpunta kami is mas marami daw ang customer dito na area. So tawid na tayo. Excited na naman ako anong mabibili ko dito guys. So never ako pumili yata ng mahal na karne since nagpunta kami dito kasi yung karne na nabili namin last time, yung mga ulam na nabili namin last time is marami-rami siya. And bumili ako na giniling, pero food waste din yun sa grocery. Yun lang ang binili ko na pang ulam namin until today. So meron pang isang portion ng chicken doon na good for isang tao na lang. Yun lang naiwan sa bahay na pagkain. Pas na guys yung door. Lalakad, nag-move na yung pila doon sa harapan. Sobrang maliwanag ng araw. Hindi ako nakapagdala ng shades. Sobrang warm ng hangin din today compare kahapon na sobrang windy. Ani ko guys, doon nag-park sa kabila. Oh, kita niyo yung red na car. Pero pag wala na daw tong nabawasan na yung car dito, lilipat si Nico dito para mas malapit na siya doon sa door kapag natapos na ako mamili dito sa food waste. So yung mga napupunta dito guys, mga naka-car din, halos lahat ng car na andito sa harap. Yan, andito yan sa pila. Nauna lang nga silang na dumating, pero huli tayong dumating, but it's okay. So far, ako pa yung pinakahuli dito sa pila guys. Wala pang nakasunod sa akin sa likod. Yung mga tao is andun sa harapan. Mas nauna silang dumating. Pero dito naman talaga, it doesn't matter kung nasa unahan ka sa pila or nasa hulihan ka sa pila. Kasi lahat naman makakabili dito. Depende lang, timing lang din kung ano mga pipiliin mo ng mga ulam na meron sila. Kasi depende din yung stocks nila sa mga food waste na nanggaling sa mga groceries. Space na dyan sa parking guys, so kaya tinawagan ko si Nico, lumipat sila dito. Okay, so iikot pa yan sila doon kasi sa roundabout, kasi pwedeng mag-cross dyan. Pero at least meron ng space, so pwede na makapag-park si Nico dito, malapit na lang sa door. Kasi andito lang yung door. Oh. Nyo dito guys, magbabayad muna kayo dyan, oh, 10 euro lang, tapos cash lang ang ina-accept nila. Tapos na tayo guys mamili, 3 bag, pero andito na yung dalawa sa car kasi pinakuha ko na kay Nico kanina. Abigat kasi guys. Good thing Sarah is sleeping all throughout habang andun ako sa loob. So let's go. I think ito tayo ng talk money after nito kasi meron akong gustong bilihin para sa garden, and i-haul natin yung mga hariki mamaya. So talk money na guys, and tingnan nyo to, sobrang laki ng bulaklak nyo. Oh. First time ko makakita nito. Chrysanthemum fireworks, $7.99. Ang ganda, parang plastic pero totoo guys. Try ko magpatubo ng pansies guys, itong Orvoki pansies. Try lang naman. Ito yung sadya ko dito kasi take 4 pay 3 only na lang. Mga dahlias, gusto ko sana yung isang klase na tanim kung meron dito. Ayun, gladiolas. Ito ang gusto ko. 7 gladiolas. Magkano naman ito? Pa-sale naman na siya. Ganda kasi ito. Ang ganda nito guys, yung gladiola. Meron akong mga tanim nito before. Sobrang ganda. Nakabili na ako guys, mga gladiolas. So, tatanim natin to kapag ready na yung ground for planting. Kasi as of the moment, frozen pa yung ilalim. But very soon, couple of weeks na lang, ready na tayo for spring planting season. Hello Ray guys! I-haul na natin yung mga napamili natin doon sa Haviki, 10 euros. Sobrang layo ng narating ng ating Haviki guys. So, meron akong 3 bag. Unahin natin itong pinakamalaki kasi andito yung mga gusto kong ilabas na para magawa namin siyang juice. Sobrang daming fruits doon guys. And kumuha din pala ako nitong mga patatas. Itong mga patatas guys is hindi namin siya kakainin ngayon. Kasi ang plano ko dito is ipasprout na lang to para itanim namin siya or itanim natin doon sa garden. So itatabi ko to kasi ilalagay ko to doon sa box kung saan andun din yung mga seedlings namin na gagamitin for planting the potatoes this year. So this year, 2 box lang ang gagawin namin kasi yung 3 box ng patatas na na-harvest namin guys is hindi namin siya mauubos agad-agad. Pero okay lang naman. Kasi ano, hanggang June, meron pa kaming patatas na pwedeng i-consume. Mga June or July, ganyan. So, all year round, meron tayong food na nanggaling sa garden na pwede pa namin siya makonsume. But, yun nga, ito, sobrang daming fruits, guys. As in, daming fruits today. Sobrang dami kong kinuha. Mga apples, mga citruses. Kasi gagawin namin siyang juice. Ayan. Kasi kailangan ko rin ng maraming fluids. And this is like very good source of it. Kasi, juice natin siya. Ayan, sobrang daming mga citruses, guys, na nanggaling doon sa food waste. And, yung pag-organize nila this time is a little bit different na siya. Huli na yung mga karne, yung mga pang-ulam, palaman sa tinapay, ganyan. So, mauna mo makukuha itong mga fruits, mga vegetables nila doon. Tapos, yung mga buns and sweets. Kaya, okay, haway akong arm. Kaya, pinapasok ko si Nico doon, guys. Pinakuha ko sa kanya yung isang, so, meron din mga ganito. I-separate ko to kasi doon ko to ilalagay sa lalagyan ko. Or, dito na lang. Sabay na lang. Tawag nito, pinapasok ko siya doon kasi puno na yung bag and hindi ko na siya mabit-bit, guys. Kaya pumasok si Nico doon. Tapos akala nila sisingit si Nico. Tapos sabi nung lalaki, hindi, may ano lang siya. Kakargahin niya lang or kukunin niya lang yung hawi-hawi. Yung mga pinamili ko. Sabi na, okay. Yun. Kasi bawal talaga doon sumingit, guys. Bawal doon pumasok na dalawa kayo. Isa pa rin ang pwede pumasok. Like before. Huy, kahawoy. Ayan. So, sobrang daming citrus fruits na nanggaling sa Haviki. So, ito. Ito pa. Ang dami, guys. As in, puno good ang tray. Wala na, guys. Meron pa. So, i-juice natin to para mainom natin. And it's very good. And merong mga patatas. So, nakakuha ako doon ng mga patatas, guys. Ito, mga patatas ito. Nasa bag. Bakit ito nga nasa Haviki pag mga ganito? Usually, guys, yung mga ganito, andun siya sa Haviki or sa food waste. Kasi, it's either tumubo na or yung batch na yon is merong color green. Ito is may problema ano. Yung ganito color green siya. Hindi niyo siguro makita but ayan siya, guys, color green. Kasi hindi kinakain dito yung mga ganyan. Pimo, this is potato. Andito si Pimo, guys, sa gilid ko. Tapos, meron tayong mga fruits, guys. Ito, hindi ko pala napakita. Ito yung mga apples. Sobrang daming apples. And then, itong, tawag nito, mga citruses. Ayan, sobrang daming citruses, guys. Ang galing sa food waste. Thank you, Haviki. Haviki Ruwaka. It means, Haviki, guys, is waste. And Ruwaka is food. So, Haviki, Ruwaka, food waste. Tapos, meron din tayo na itong granola. Ito siya, pang breakfast. Bakit ito ang dun sa Haviki? Hindi ko alam. Yung karton niya, guys, is nasira na. Ano siya, na ganyan, Hindi na tulid, hindi na straight. Ito pa dito, nayupi siya ng konti, but it's still closed. Yan. Tapos, meron tayo ditong canelli pula, cinnamon buns, and then itamainen risi secoitus. Ito is rice, ito, guys. Ito is may basmati and jasmine rice. Yan, dalawang rice. Secoitus is like a blend. Tapos, meron tayong Pico Kinuski Kive Neri. Ito, merong buns. Ito siya is, kinuski is yung butterscotch. What is kinuski in Finnish? Yeah, it's butterscotch. Yeah.
In English.
Yeah. Butterscotch. Yeah. Tapos meron tayong, meron tayong kamatis. Hi, Sarah. Sarah is now ready, guys. Para matulog. Dalawang tomato. Cherry tomatoes. Tapos, hindi ako kumuha ng maraming tinapay kasi marami pa kaming tinapay from last time. So, kumuha ako nitong picola. Ito, muesli ito or gawa siya sa oats. Tapos, ito is Taos Yuva Ruiz. It's a full grain rye bread. Ayan. Ito lang dalawa ang kinuha ko na tinapay. Wala nang iba. Tapos, meron tayong grapes and another grapes. So, dalawang box ng grapes ang nabili natin doon sa Haviti. Ayan, oh. Yan. Yan yung food waste dito, guys. Yan yung itsura ng food waste dito. And, meron din tayong another carrots. Yes. And, meron pang isang carrots. Ito shredded carrots na ito. Since shredded na ito, guys, ang gagawin ko dito is gagawin ko itong ano ba tawag dyan? Hoy, loading yun yung bagong panganak. Tawag nito yung banana cake or banana muffins. Tapos ito is pwede namin siyang i-chop or i-juice kasama itong mga fruits. Ayan, depende na lang kung anong gustong gawin ni Nico. So, tapos na tong isang bag. Dito tayo sa pangalawang bag. Lahat ng to, guys, sa Haviki lang to. Meron tayo ditong rosemary. Ayan. Rosemary. Tapos, meron tayong mga basil. Ang gagawin ko dito sa basil, guys, is ilalagay ko to sa pesto or gagawin ko siyang pesto. Hoy, Spimo! Maraming basil, guys. Ayun, 3 na to. Tapos, 5, 6 na basil. Pang 7. So, 7 packs ng basil. Ayan, gagawin ko siyang pesto. Siguro, i-freezer ko na lang siya kasi wala pa akong pasta this time. And meron akong nabiling ganito. Iram Led Pisto Canta. Daddy, can you check what is this? Come here and sit down. Take a look at this. What is this? It says here, Led Pisto Canta. I just took it. I'm not really sure what is this. Pero ganito siya, guys, oh. Ilaw. And it's LED. There's an open one.
I think you
plug it.
Can you plug it to some, but we don't have this kind of.
Okay. Maybe let's look. What is that? The plug for this one. Or where can we put this one?
We don't.
It's free. I got it in Haviki.
We don't have this kind of light bulb.
Okay. Okay.
En tiedä mikä se kuuluu.
But let's try to look this one in the shop. Because we have this and maybe the plug itself is cheap. So maybe, you know, we can use it.
No, voidaan katsoa.
Yeah?
Joo, en tiedä.
Okay, let's take a...
se koodi, että millä se löytyy.
Yeah. Yeah, so meron akong 3 nito, guys. I don't know how much even this cost in the shop, but I just took it from there. Yan. This is something cool. Uy! And then that's the second bag. And we still have another bag. And we have this. What is this? Ray, Mikaseon.
Is it for
Murais, Shuati, Murdusa. Yeah, for the ants. I don't know how to use this.
If you have
one.
an ant problem in the house.
Okay. For the ant problem. But do we have? We never had an ant problem inside the house. Let's put this in the garden. But ants are good.
It's maybe only for your summer house or something. Or
okay.
Or if you have a
problem.
house or building something with them.
Yeah, I got 2 of that, and then coffee. Coffee. And then we got chocolate. Fatser chocolate. Let's open. This is still new, guys, or new. This is still sealed. Yeah. There's a chocolate.
Haviki, but it's not second use
Huh?
chocolate. It's not,
Not second use chocolate. This is not second use chocolate. This is Karl Fatser chocolate, and Karl Fatser is the famous chocolate from Finland. Tosi hyvä suklaa. And then sausage or hot dog. Do you eat maksa?
No voin ehkä syödä, mutta en yleensä. Not usual.
This is a jauhe maksa pihivi. It's a steak. So this can be put in the bread.
Maybe bread one.
So liver, jauhe is a
Niin, liver can eat, not everybody, but
jauhe maksa pihivi. So ito guys is meron siyang jauhe liha, giniling, and meron siyang liver na steak size. Ayan, no? Merong 4 sa loob. There's 4 inside. Then we have this kuoho kerma. I can use that one for cooking. And I have this ohukainen, on what you call this? Letuya. Can eat that for breakfast. And this is cacao vadelma. This chocolate and raspberry ohukainen.
Okay.
So yung ito guys, dalawa itong klase ng letuya or pancakes. Tapos meron tayong pima. I'm gonna use this pima when I make the banana bread because I still have the banana from last time. And then I got what you call this one? Cauliflowers. Flowers because there's 3 of them too. Ayan.
siellä oli tommonen.
3. Yeah. Cauliflowers. Maybe I'm not gonna plant this in the garden. I have already a lot of things to take care, guys. So I'm not gonna be stressing myself to plant more plants this year. And ito is yogurt. Yeah, I can eat this. I like yogurt a lot. And this is Lacka or the cloudberry.
Oh.
Cloudberry yogurt. And Nico already ate a lot of chocolate. So if I put something herku or something sweets or like treats on the table, guys, usually Nico and Anika finish them right away. It's true. So this one is kulta leike, or this is like what is kulta? Kinko makara. This is ham. Yeah, and this is also lactose free and gluten free. And we can put this on the bread. Palaman sa tinapay. And I have another one. 2 of that. There's a lot of food today. And I got this. Karjalan paisti.
Onko se jäässä?
Se on jäässä, or it's frozen, guys. Ito is nanggaling to sa frozen nila kasi they have this very big freezer. And then, it's been in the freezer since December. It doesn't matter kasi galing, it was from the frozen. It's still frozen as in, until now. I'm not gonna be putting this back in the freezer anymore. I will just defrost this and I'll make it into Karjalan paisti. Ready for our food for tomorrow because we have like 1 serving of food there left. Yeah. And that was all. That was all the food we got today from Haviki Ruaka. There's quite a lot of them.
Is that apelsini there too?
Yeah, all these oranges is from there.
Huh.
It's quite a lot, right? Can you imagine that? All of this were food waste. And Nico ate all the chocolate already.
Not everything.
Not yet everything. Yo, how about for Sarah? There's nothing for Sarah. There's no diaper this time. I did not ask for diaper. But yeah, we have a lot of food. The apples, guys, they look like this. What you call this in Finnish?
No.
Something like get soft already.
Niin, mä sanon, tää on mennyt pehmeäksi.
Niin, se meni pehmeäksi, guys.
Just cut it off.
Just cut it off and we'll juice it. And then our bio waste has gone down. So we can put more bio waste there from the peel and from all the pulp because we will just use the juice. And there will be a lot of pulp and peel from this, and it's gonna be good for our garden. So we'll be throwing them there in our bio waste. And this one, I'm gonna be freezing most of this and maybe make some stir fry. Mix this with carrots maybe. So we have vegetables. The one I make last time, was it good? Yeah. Yeah, the one I made last time, it was already consumed. Shall I make the same? It was good, no? Yeah. Yeah, so, and this one, I'm gonna be cooking this Karjalan paisti or that Finnish casserole or like, this paisti, is it casserole? Something, it look like sabaw, guys. Pero konti lang yung sabaw niya. There were bananas, but I did not get bananas. There's chocolate.
Mitä etsit?
Pizza.
Pizza.
Pizza. Pizza. Okay. Pizza. Okay. Yeah. So yun, guys. That was all for 10 euros. Sobrang dami. And I would love to encourage all of you na malapit dito sa Lahati area na pumunta din doon for worth 10 euros. You bring cash with you and a bag. It's Karjalan Katu 26. I'm gonna be putting the address down there sa video para kayo din is makavisit kayo. I have more than enough food. We will finish this one first. I usually go there like once a week only because need to eat. Need to consume this first, and this is the only snacks that I got there, Daddy.
Have your friend visited there already? Or you just go?
Carlo, not yet. Carlos, not yet. Carlos and Asia, not yet. I don't know with the other Filipinos who live in Lahati. Maybe they've read that announcement that they moved already to a new place.
If you're Filipino and live in the Lahti or nearby, then make a comment.
Yeah. You guys could visit there. I didn't know this. Huh? You can put this one for lasagna?
No, I can never try. No, we can try that.
Pima? Pima is it's like the dulay of the baby. It's a sour milk,
Some
guys.
people
like
like
this.
it.
Yeah, I don't
Sometimes
like
me
it
too,
too.
but it's very sticky.
It's sticky, yeah.
Semmoinen.
I don't like it, but I took this because I still have a lot of bananas from last Haviki. And we're going to make it into banana bread so I can bring it to my friends because we're going to meet them in a couple of days. So, I don't want to waste the bananas. And also the banana peel, I'm going to be using it for the fertilizer water for the plants. So, I need a bucket later and ask Nico's help to do it. Yeah. Maybe acento. Why the acento? Change the position now. Turn varma bike acento, Daddy. Yeah, that was all for today's vlog, guys. And sobrang sulit. For 10 euros, you get all of this. This is quite a lot of food for us. So we cannot finish this in one day. For the entire week, this will be our food. And basically, what we do is that when we run out of food, like example yung mga ganito, yung mga ulam-ulam, that's the time that we go to Haviki. Because I always want na ma-replenish or madagdagan yung pagkain sa freezer namin. From time to time, nadadagdagan talaga siya. And mas maganda na ganun guys, para hindi ako palaging bumibili sa grocery na kung ano-ano. And I got rice as well, Daddy. It's so bad because I plan not to eat rice and potatoes for some time. But yeah, we've got a lot of food. It will not go bad though. Actually, the rice, andun siya sa Haviki. Kasi guys, nasira na yung kanyang lalagyan. Kaya siya nilagyan ng bag. Ayan. Nasira na yung kanyang karton. Kasi most of the breads or most of the rice ay nakakarton dito sa Finland or naka-plastic. And usually it's not 50 kilos of rice like in Philippines. In Philippines, usually can get like big bags.
Asian market has.
You don't have 50 kilos.
No, not 50, but 20.
Yeah, 20 or 10 kilos or 5 kilos. So, andito siya sa box. Pero na-open na yung box niya. But, ano pa rin to guys? Ay, ito pala yung rice that is, you can, pwede mo lang siya lutuin agad. Naka-portion pala siya ng maliliit. So, there's 4 bags inside. 4 pala to. I've never bought rice like this way. How many grams is this? This is 500 grams only. 500 grams of rice. Daddy, in Philippines, it's a big deal already. There's a lot. And also, why throw this one? The farmer did the hard work to farm this one and they will just put this for waste.
Here and then and it has delivered there from Asia to here.
Yeah. So export, no? So export products and then it will just go to waste because the packaging got damaged. It's so sad. But anyway, what can we do? The food standard in Finland is so high. Can't do anything about it. But this is what we can do. We can buy food from there and we can save money when we buy food from there. And we save the food as well rather than this will go to the food waste. I mean to the dumpster. Yeah, like what Julie is doing. Julie is also saving all those food from the dumpster. And it's also a good way of saving the food. But anyways, guys, that's all for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, The Lindemans. And we will see you on the next one. Hey, hey! Hey, hey! Hey, hey! Hey, hey!
Nani? Sarakin Elo.
Hey, pa! What is Daddy eating?
No. We need to buy it.
Oh. You're eating already. Kainin ko yung grapes, guys. Pinanggaling sa Haviki. It's good?
But I think I take a little bit like a bread or something and then continue.
Sobrang sulit ang Haviki, guys. Ang baby natin is andito. Pinapatulog ko na to kasi kakadede niya lang. Naantok na. Tapos nilang mag-burp.